Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Musumi's Kitchen. So today I'm gonna present before you a very delicious and one of my favorite chicken Manchurian recipe. So to prepare this chicken Manchurian, you need to mix this boneless chicken with stuff like salt, egg white, corn flour. Mix it well and now deep fry these chickens. Add these chicken pieces into this hot oil one by one, and if the oil turns too hot, lower the flame. Keep frying until your chicken is perfectly cooked. So here my fried chicken is ready. And now heat the pan with little oil. Add these chopped onions, ginger garlic, and a pinch of Szechuan pepper. And now add some chopped carrots, capsicums, salt to taste, and add this white vinegar and soya sauce, black pepper, and now add these fried chickens. Keep stirring it, mix it well. Add little cornstarch. Keep cooking in medium flame and cover the lid for a while. Finally, my chicken Manchurian is ready. So guys, try this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it.